A legend reimagined. The automotive world is witnessing a historic transition. Toyota, a brand known for its cautious approach to full electrification, just made one of the boldest moves in its century-long history. I'm Ava, and today on Vision Effect TV, we are diving deep into a vehicle that represents a massive shift in strategy. Forget the BZ naming schemes. This is the 2026 Toyota Highlander EV. For the first time, one of the world's most trusted and beloved three-row family SUVs has ditched the internal combustion engine for a massive, state-of-the-art battery. Officially unveiled to challenge the status quo, this isn't just a prototype. It's a direct declaration of war against rivals like the Kia EV9 and Hyundai Ioniq 9. Toyota is finally going all in on the large electric segment, and they're using their most powerful brand name to lead the charge. Let's see if the electric Highlander can truly live up to its legendary reputation for reliability and utility. Exterior. Aerodynamics meets authority. Looking at the silhouette, it's clear that Toyota has prioritized efficiency without losing that rugged Highlander stance. The exterior borrows heavily from the futuristic, BZ large SUV concept we've seen in recent years, but it's been refined with a production-ready edge that feels both premium and approachable. Notice the sleek, aerodynamic lines and the striking full-width LED light bar that defines the rear profile. But the biggest change is hidden in the dimensions. The Highlander EV rides on a wheelbase that is roughly 8 inches longer than its gas-powered predecessor. This isn't just an aesthetic choice, it's a functional revolution. By stretching the platform, Toyota has created a cavernous interior while improving high-speed stability. This is a mainstream powerhouse designed to look familiar enough for loyalists, yet advanced enough to capture the next generation of EV buyers. It is sophisticated, athletic, and unmistakably Toyota. Interior. The ultimate mobile living room. Step inside, and that extra wheelbase immediately pays off in a way you can feel. We're talking about true, adult-sized comfort across all 3 rows, a feat that very few electric SUVs have mastered. The cabin is a masterclass in modern utility, loaded with soft-touch sustainable materials and a massive new 15-inch infotainment system that serves as the heart of the vehicle. The digital cockpit is crisp and intuitive, feeling light years ahead of anything we've seen from Toyota's past. On most trims, you'll find second-row captain's chairs as standard, emphasizing a first-class travel experience for the whole family. But it's not just about luxury, it's about the details. From the abundant USB-C ports to the clever hidden storage compartments, every inch of this cabin is designed for the reality of family life. Even with the third row in use, the cargo capacity remains impressive, making it a true, no-compromise, long-distance cruiser for a family of 7. Performance, power, range, and reliability. Underneath that sleek body, the Highlander EV sits on an evolution of Toyota's dedicated electric architecture. While regional specs are being finalized, Toyota is targeting a highly competitive 320 miles of range on a single charge. It will be available in both front-wheel and dual-motor all-wheel drive configurations. The AWD version, in particular, is engineered to deliver that smooth, confident power delivery that has become a Toyota trademark. With a high-density battery pack and advanced thermal management, it supports high-speed DC fast charging, allowing you to go from 10 to 80% in under 30 minutes. It's built to be a dependable workhorse that handles the daily school run as effortlessly as a cross-country summer road trip. The arrival of the Highlander EV marks the definitive end of the wait-and-see era for Toyota. By bringing their best-selling nameplate into the electric age, they've set a new benchmark for what a family SUV should be in 2026. Sales are expected to kick off later this year, and while official pricing is still under wraps, it is expected to be positioned aggressively to dominate the market. So, the question remains, would you choose the trusted Highlander legacy over the flashy new arrivals from Korea or America? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Ava. Stay smart, stay curious, and as always, blue skies ahead.